In our recent video on our environmental policy, I talked about ways that we're looking into reducing our impact on the environment. And today I just wanted to give you an update and let you know how we're trying to reach some of those goals. We've made a commitment to stop using black plastic pots, and that's why we're now potting all of our little plants into these tote pots. These are made from carbon black-free recycled polypropylene, and these can be identified by near-infrared, and that means that they can be put out with other recyclable plastics each week for curbside collection. Our aim is that by mid-2019 we're going to stop using black plastic pots altogether, but that's not to say that you might receive a few plants in your order in black plastic pots. And that's because we do buy some of our plants in from specialist growers, and while we can't speak for them, we are working closely with them to try and help reduce the amount of black plastic that is being used. Even these little pouches now that your bulbs are being sent out in are made from either compostable or recyclable materials.